Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and these rustic picture frames were so great to display my artwork. I love the neutral look and the professional look of the matting. It's an 11 by 14, but it's so versatile because based on the size of your picture, the matting is compatible with either an 8 by 10 picture or a 9 by 12. And I just have to point out the care that was taken for packaging. It was exceptional. They were each bubble wrapped, the edges were protected, and they can either stand up horizontally or vertically, or you can hang them. And the solid wood just makes them so classic looking. The quality and versatility of these rustic picture frames make it so easy, convenient, and it's just such a beautiful way to display my artwork and pictures for in my home and also to give as gifts to friends and family. And that's my point of view.